Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since FIFA 22 is over our head, I thought of covering FIFA 22 career mode in detail with you guys, explaining what's gonna happen and what major changes EA has brought in career mode. Now let's all be real. I know that FIFA 22 and whole FIFA is the main purpose of FIFA is that EA basically when they make FIFA, their focal point of the game is Ultimate Team, since everyone plays Ultimate Team. But let's be honest, some of us, including me, I personally like career mode so much. I thoroughly only play FIFA just for the sake of career mode. Everything which I'll be showing in today's video is officially given by EA on their website. I'll be showing every pitch note, everything in detail. Let's get started. This is the first official page of FIFA, EA's FIFA, and this guy named Alex is a senior game designer on FIFA, and he basically shares details of career mode in FIFA 22. So this whole thing once again is official, and I'll be covering every official thing which is on their website, which you can also check out. So firstly, in FIFA 22 you are eligible to create your own club. So after you make your club, then FIFA lets you name your club. So you can name your club anything, you can give it a nickname, so whenever then the match is played, the commentators will then pronounce the name of your club in the commentary, and that really looks cool. So by this we can see that EA are now giving us little bit flexibility. So now we can create our own clubs, we can nickname it, we can name it, and that automatically will be embedded into the commentary. And whenever the match is played, commentator will pronounce the name of the club you have given it. So after you have done this everything, then you will be choosing the league you want to play in. You will be selecting the teams you want to compete with in the league. After then the whole thing is set up. So after setting these things, you will be coming onto the screen which I'm showing right now. Here you will be customizing your own kit. You can see you can choose the primary color, the secondary color, you can choose the name and the number of your color. You can see how there are so many editing options, so many things you can do. You can change the kits, the numbers, the names every season. So as the season progresses, every season you can change the color, you can choose the design, you can choose the layout, how your kit's gonna look like there's so room of customization. You can customize the away kit, you can customize the crest. This is the screenshot of the official game menu, by the way. In this official screenshot you can see you can change the crest shape, how you want to customize your team's badge. So if the time progresses and if you have played for 4 to 5 seasons and you feel like the logo, the club's logo is the logo is boring and looks good no more, you want to change it, you want to customize it. So this game again, the FIFA 22 also lets you change it. So you can go on to the 5th season, 6th season, and you can change the club logo, like we saw in real life. Inter Milan recently changed their logo. They shifted to the new logo, and that logo now represents the club. So now you can do this in the game too, and it looks really cool. And yeah. Now this doesn't end here. EA also lets you make your own stadium. Now in this official game screenshot you can see club customization. In this club customization you also have option to choose the home stadium. You can also choose how the stand should look like. You can choose how pitch looks like. You can also change the atmosphere. So this is really cool. You can literally change. You are given so much flexibility, so much choices when it comes to making your own stadiums, making your own kits. So whenever you are especially doing Road to Glory career mode, this thing is going to come in hand so much. So guys, this was basically it for the manager career mode. You do have to remember that I'm not covering player career mode in today's video, because player career mode itself has seen drastic changes this time, but I'll be covering player career mode in another video. So this was it. Basically in manager career mode, the only big thing we are seeing is the club customization, where you choose which I already told you. You get to choose, you get to customize your kits, you get to customize the stadium, you can customize every little detail in it. However, the menu will be seeing changes as this is the new year, new game, so the menu will be changed. You can see this is the news tab which we open. So this time the news tab, it seems like, is more, little bit more detailed and little bit more related to the career mode itself, and it maybe shows way more things, way many more things which you like actually do in the career mode. And this screenshot, this is the official screenshot of the game. We can see Mbappe's goal involvement, so they are showing goals, matches and assists and average match rating. And then you can see the club news, transfer news, international news and breaking news. So guys, EA will also moreover introduce new tifos. Tifos are these big posters which are put up before the match, and they look really cool. You also get to see the new cutscenes, as we can see Conte in here. This is I think the Champions League final they've just won, and they are like, this new cutscenes looks really cool. This is also the new cutscene, as we can see Alisson dancing in here. We can see the match rating what he got, the manager rating, and the stats, team possession. And I think this is the new player. I don't know the player. I think he has won man of the match. This is again the new cutscene, and he's like sitting in the dressing room and watching it. We can see the match rating and like his own stats. This is really cool. I think these new cutscenes they've also like put in. But however, these new cutscenes are only exclusive to next gen. So if you have PS4, then you won't basically get these cutscenes, as easy as that. Guys, this is just it. I know the YouTubers are stretching everything, and they are like making 20 minute videos only for the career mode. Guys, I'll tell you, this is straight that the only new thing which is coming to manager career mode, I'm once again repeating that I'm only talking about manager career mode in this video. So the only big thing coming in the manager career mode is this new customization, where you get to customize your own kits, teams, on kits. You get to choose your own league, and then you get to choose like whole stadium. You can customize your whole stadium from stands to the pitch to everything. So this is the only big thing coming into the career mode. With the cutscenes which I showed you, the new menu, these are the things in here, but like these are not the drastic changes which we will see in the manager career mode. So guys, this was it. Long story short, we are only, I'm once again repeating that we are only getting to see this create a new stadium and then create a whole kit and everything. This is the only big thing we are getting to see in manager career mode. On the only new things you will be seeing is maybe new cutscenes, maybe the new menus, and maybe the little bit of new growth system. But this is really it. This is the only big thing you're gonna see in this. So guys, with that I'm ending this video. I hope you really like it, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. And yeah, I'll basically bring daily uploads to this channel from now on. If not daily, then I'll try my best to at least upload thrice or 4 times in a week. So guys, thank you.